Do you know what obstructive sleep apnea sounds like? I want you to listen. What you're hearing right now is called snoring. Snoring is a partial obstruction of the airway when you sleep, and it sounds like this. Pretty loud, right? Obstructive sleep apnea is a complete blockage of the airway when you sleep. No air is moving, and it sounds like this. Wow, that was a long pause. If you sound like that when you sleep, or a family member or friend, they may have obstructive sleep apnea. Go get a sleep study test now.